What's up, y'all? We're gonna make some low maintenance salmon. If you don't feel like searing your salmon, basting the salmon, and everything like that, we're gonna make it really easy. Oven at 375. Gonna want to go in the oven for 20-25 minutes. I season mine up in my own spice and marinade blend. From there, I then top it off with some lemon juice and butter. On the side, I'm also gonna add in some rosemary and thyme, which I'm then gonna put on top of my salmon along with some lemon. Give it a nice little zest, aroma flavors, really delicious. In the oven, 20 minutes. I let it rest for 5 minutes. Came out so delicious, no maintenance. It's literally just in the oven cooking. So you don't gotta baste it or anything like that. Enjoy.